The Blue House is a case study on how to build within lush, protected nature without harming it. The plot is nestled in the Guarujá mountain range, a coastal region of the Atlantic forest in São Paulo, just 500 meters from Ipiranga Beach. In this sacred space, the architecture had to follow strict guidelines to ensure the complete preservation of the surrounding landscape. The design allows nature to flow through the residence, creating a seamless connection between the external and internal environments. From the beginning, a 2-meter perimeter was defined around the house's footprint to protect the forest from the construction activities. The project had to be executed within a predetermined area, leaving the rest of the land untouched. This decision led to elevating the house on pilotis, creating an open space of 15 meters long by 8 meters wide, shading the main social and leisure area on the ground floor. The wooden deck, slightly raised from the earth to protect it from moisture, integrates with the surrounding vegetation, extending sinuously beyond the building. Its abstract geometry, a tribute to the landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx, contrasts with the rectangular volume of the house above. This allows the vegetation to come closer or pull away, constantly shifting the interaction with the landscape. The pool, partially shaded, sits between the deck and the natural surroundings, bordering the landscaping designed by Rodrigo Oliveira. As it extends beyond the house's projection, the pool creates a direct connection between the design of the house and the forest stretching towards the sea. Perpendicular to the house's shadow, a rustic stone wall divides the leisure space from the service areas, complementing the pair of pillars that structure the span. Above the ground floor, 2 stacked offset volumes appear to float amidst the treetops. The elevation of the volumes not only aims to provide shade and protection, but also to capture the surrounding views. The first concrete box frames nature with its glass sides, offering a glimpse of the sea. When these glass panels are opened, the room transforms into a vast veranda, reinforcing the transparency that allows the gaze to pass completely through the architecture. On this level, the open layout integrates living and dining spaces, blending effortlessly with the natural surroundings. On the second floor, 4 bedrooms are immersed in the treetops. Here, wooden muxarabi screens on the long sides gently filter the light, allowing the trees to cast playful shadows. The wooden frames, fixed furniture, and decor, with their natural textures and colors, bring the outside in, making nature part of the home's intimate spaces. The concrete volumes borrow their tones from the floor tiles and stone countertops. On the ground floor, the large irregular stone slabs leading to the entrance gradually dissolve and blend into the landscape. At the Blue House, the materiality is simple and discreet. The architecture gently rests on the ground, its volumes opening up to the surrounding environment, blending effortlessly with nature. The play of solid and open spaces makes the structure light, as if the house is taking flight. It is an architecture of natural modernism, emphasizing the lushness of the surrounding nature, making it an integral part of the home.